I've got half a bar.
Okay. Are you able to shoot anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to get this one. It's able to stay on. It's saying it's not got much time left.
It's a four stroke, right?
This is a Woo! I hear one. I hear one. I hear one. I hear one. That's it's either a Honda or a KTM. It could be a Yamaha.
What's coming?
That's a KTM, I think. I can hear by that. Could be a Yamaha or a Honda.
We gotta wait for no sound and then we'll start walking back to the road.
That's a Yamaha.
Oh, you hear that wide?
That's a Yamaha. Either a Yamaha or a Honda. That's not a
You
KTM.
see that big old fat muffler at the bottom of it?
Is it? Is it a
You missed the
KTM?
gear.
I feel like it's a Yamaha.
Could be a blue bike then.
No, that's a KTM.